believe we made the boat.
I thought I was gonna die.
All right, Graham, day 3, buddy.
Day 3.
Rally.
Day 2 of the rally.
Wait, yeah, day 3 for us.
Day 3 for us.
So we got here day early. Hey, listen, where do you think this Starbucks is in Cranbrook? So to clarify, part of the rally is people prank cars. I don't prank people's cars. People prank cars. Hope Kino's okay with that. Well, let's go check on the C8 here. See how things look. Yeah, nobody touched the Jaguars or anything. Not yet, no. Well, I brought pranks. I'm not gonna do it unless I get pranked. If we get pranked tomorrow.
Budget stickers come out.
Yeah, while you're doing one of the events, you go get points. I'll prank cars.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Just a bunch of little flowers on all these cars over here. So I've seen pranks as far as cars completely saran wrapped. One car actually got damaged a few years ago in Saskatoon because they put cereal all over the car and thought it'd be funny. But then the seagulls came in to eat the cereal and scratched the car to shit. So sometimes it gets carried away. I've seen pranks as far as cars filled with balls, like convertibles, filled with balls to the top and stuff like that. But it's all in good fun, and that's part of the rally. So we're gonna go get some breakfast and see you guys on the road. All right, we're just getting lined up here, ready to go. And off to Kelowna today. We don't know anything more than that. So for those unaware, this is not a race about speed. It's a scavenger hunt. It's about points. So we have a card we don't have yet. We go to the start line. It's about points. And the more points, the better you do. So we'll see how that goes. Co-pilot,
Ready to go.
you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Courtney saved our lives with coffee.
Oh boy.
Starbucks nonetheless. Courtney, you're a saint.
Starbucks for the win.
IG, read it out. What do you got? First stop.
Mission today is collect as many stamps as possible. For each completed task will let you get you 1 stamp, which are worth 2 points each. Some stamps are time sensitive and can only be earned if the task is completed before the designated time. The rest can be earned with no time limit. Please present your final answers to the crew before you go in for lunch. There's a ferry on this route. Departure times 10:40, 11:30, 12:20. Please aim for the 10:40 a.m. ferry. So locate 4090, identify how it met its demise. In what year was the adjacent building moved to its current location? 1 stamp for having both correct answers.
Fucking go! I see great minds think alike. I don't know, did you guys see the group of cars turn the other way?
Yeah, I was so confused.
Yeah, I'm like, all right, I'll see you later. 69, that's what we're looking for. Pound the 4469.
4090.
4090?
4090.
4090. All right. Those are marathon legs. You're there for anybody wondering. Graham's out here running for some reason.
Look at the calves.
Yeah. Yeah. Remember that time they went to buy that car from International Motor Cars, but I told them I bought it already?
I do remember that.
They
were pissed.
I like your car.
What's up?
I like your car.
Thank you. I like it too.
Tell me a story, G. Where are we going?
Creston.
Creston? On it. Quick fuel stop, pee break for the boys, and then back to the road. Yeah, we gotta make the ferry in like 15 minutes, so I don't know, and none of these cars are making the ferry. There's no way. What do you think, G?
I don't know. I don't think we're making the ferry.
Nobody's making the ferry. No, not a person here making the ferry. I think the team's got to figure it out. He just parked right down here. That boy, Matt.
Oh yeah.
How'd you beat us
1,
here?
2, 3.
I got a villain and a hero.
Stealth. Yeah, you just knew where to go.
4, 5.
And leaving early.
There, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We've got 5 names right here. You got it.
Booyah, thanks, man. Mateen, I need a ride. Give me a ride. I need a ride.
Go, get in!
Come on, where's your beast mask? She's wearing her costume.
I can't see crap.
You could put a little effort into it. Come on. Hello, Mr. Garden Gnome. So we're supposed to be counting these. There's Graham. I was looking for you. I lost Graham, so we'll look at some cars. Mustang. Mateen's car. was actually a rental. I love that. So she was just saying there's 600,000 recycled bottles here, and somebody embalming fluid bottles, fantastic. And somebody actually lived in here at one point in the off season. It was built as
It's open to the public from May until October, and then it's used.
okay, and it's built as a retirement home. Okay, sir, you can't be hitchhiking in the middle of the road. Just please stand to the side over here.
Maybe I'll stand right here.
I can't believe doing the speed limit. We bought over 10 minutes to get on the ferry. Like,
Doing
unreal.
the speed limit.
Yeah. Listen, I just want to say, she said we wouldn't make the ferry.
I know that.
I still see a
Gas,
ferry.
man.
Yeah. She's like, you'll never make it. Dude, I can't believe we made the boat by how many minutes? Oh, by 1 minute. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Wow. Awesome. Is this 101 Dalmatians happening?
Yeah, this is 101.
I am 101.
101.
I am 101.
Yeah, I'm just glad he's wearing his mask now. This looks better. Why do you drive with that?
Great difficulties.
Yeah, Ryan! Oh, blue Audi and the BMW or stuff there.
There's a coffee shop, maybe.
Look at, we take up most of the boat.
Coffee shop's on the left.
Well, 35 minutes. Hey, listen, tell me about the last 40 kilometers of that trip.
We have it all on video.
So do we, but I need to hear it from you now.
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm trying to make up 15 minutes of ferry time in 30 minutes. So
I thought I was gonna die. We got like 15 minutes. I'm like, okay, no one's keeping up with me, I guess.
Yeah.
I get why she was so happy. This feels right.
So the only question will be, Graham, is if we can get up the ramp on this, depending how steep it is.
Lift the front end.
I'll get it up. I'll get it up.
That doesn't look as bad.
It's this right here. This.
It's that, yeah.
Graham, okay,
Yo.
you've done such a good job. I'm gonna buy you lunch.
Such a good job.
You've been navigating fantastically. I'm gonna buy you lunch. Okay, where's the food?
Well, lunch is
1 minute. So hey, we're just waiting for lunch. What are you looking at?
Mark
Is that Mark
Wahlberg.
Wahlberg? Do you have a man crush on Mark Wahlberg?
Getting bricked up over here.
I had 2 plates. How was yours?
Mine was good.
Did you have 2 plates?
No.
Come on, Graham. You'll be
But I had
fat
soup.
like me.
I had soup.
What was the soup du jour?
I don't know, tomato with Parmesan. It was good.
Soup of the day.
Really good.
All right, we're all full again. And what the fuck is going on here?
Oh, bud. Nailed it!
Nice work. And we got water, because I want to keep the sugar out of me today. How awesome is that? I love it. So next we have a challenge up here somewhere, but first of all, look at how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh man. Courtney, nice shirt.
you like that?
I do like that. Well, there's the bridge, or the, dam, generating dam. This bridge is moving and I don't like that. How big of a step can I
Throwing
take?
things at Oh, well, you can be like in line with the rock.
Okay. Yeah, how's that? Come on. Sorry.
I'm not gonna cut it. I'm not gonna cut it, Kusan. Great, now you cost us 2 points.
Okay, now we're at Christina Lake. It was a bit of a drive, but we're here nonetheless. And what are we doing? We're looking for an alien in the wetlands? An alien in the wetlands. Take it to a picnic table. All right, there you go. So, yeah, see what we can find here. Well, guys, never thought I'd be here. Almost 40 and walking through the grass looking for extraterrestrials, aliens, whatever. And it's not looking good, but like, what a beautiful lake. Christina Lake, unreal. All right, here's some grass. Let's see what we can find here. Oh yeah, it's like almost up to my waist. Gorgeous. Okay, it's fishing over there. Would have been good to go fishing right now. But yeah, this river feeds a lake. It's beautiful. The water's so clear too. Gee, hey,
Yo.
I got it.
That's what we had to find.
Yeah. See, Courtney already got hers.
In there.
Yeah.
You found this in there.
On a tree.
Well, at least you're finally pulling your weight.
Tunnel of Flags, FLAGS. That's Matt. All right, what are we doing? What's going on?
Go strike a pose.
Up there? I got you.
Superhero.
I got you. What's a superhero landing?
I don't know.
That's
Do the
really
black.
bad for
no.
your knees.
Do the Black Widow one. The Black Widow one.
Nice. Would you like one?
Holy.
Okay, what town did I just do a superhero landing in?
Greenwood.
Greenwood?
Yes.
Interesting. Okay, where are we going?
Right now, Johnston Provincial Park.
Okay, how
And then
far?
to Kelowna.
How far is Johnston?
30 minutes.
Okay, and how far is Kelowna?
Hour and a half. 2 hours.
Okay, but we're going through Osoyoos.
Yes.
And West Kelowna.
Right.
Okay. Just did like 7 push-ups, 6 pull-ups today.
Yeah.
Walking through doors sideways.
Walking through doors sideways?
Logo Pogo. I'm gonna pick up everybody on the beach and carry them back.
Okay, pick them up.
Oh, you're now safe. So we're in Penticton, and for those unaware, Penticton's about an hour from our destination. But more importantly, we found a Chevron. Chevron is my favorite. There's one of our cars right there. Chevron. I love it. Chevron is my favorite fuel because it's 94 octane. The downside is it's $2.40 a liter. So it doesn't take long to add up. Anyway, making our way slowly to the hotel. Things are working out well with this thing. Doesn't seem to be any problem so far. So yeah, keep you guys in the loop. Home for the night.
That's-
You got the rally card this time?
I got the rally card.
Keno made it already. Courtney's here. Who else is here? Everybody's here. Are we the last ones here? What the It's not a race.
There's 2 more rolling in right now.
All right.
And Matt's going to be behind them, I'm sure.
Yeah, well, it's not a race.
It's not a race.
It's not a race. Okay. Well, this isn't Grandma's basement. This is really nice.
This is nice in the grandma's basement.
Yeah. Oh, we got a
Bed, dude.
deck. Oh, man. Look at this. Oh, man. You got like this beautiful view of a golf course. Like he's a chunker for sure. Well, that was a nice swing for a kid. Wow. Reggie, I'm famished.
Ready?
Your fucking shirt is on point, buddy.
It's
All right,
okay.
I'm famished. Let's go get some food.
Ready?
Yeah, food. Tesla Model Y performance. Grand Kamada performance.
PK.
These are really nice. Well, there we go. Grip. What is that? Your pee's gonna stink tonight.
Steak and chicken?
You gonna pee on me?
Yeah, probably.
Pee's gonna stink. You have that too?
I do.
Pee's gonna stink too.
I know.
Oh, man.
I'm into that. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
Yo.
how was the end of day 3? You guys enjoy day? Wait, not 2, 3?
That's 2.
It's 2, 3 for us.
Wow.
Keno, how was it?
I'm
Was it
surprised that you can afford a Corvette, but you can't count days.
good? Well, Well, it's just that I can't count money, so I just keep buying cars.
Don't worry about it, Steve. You don't have to pull the car up.
Look, I
Yeah, no.
got you.
I got you. Oh, look at you guys are so cute. Keno and I'll just stand here in the
Right,
rain.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a bit of a drive, but the most embarrassing part is they beat us here.
We did not if we run.
What are you guys, a bunch of gazelles? How did you run that fast? You guys literally walked faster than we drove.
We walk faster than your Corvette.
Chase is a race, Steve.
That's like embarrassing.